Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious guacamole with zucchini. This easy guide will help you create a fresh, flavorful dip that's perfect for any occasion. First, gather your essential ingredients: 3 ripe avocados, 1 small zucchini, 1/2 red onion, fresh cilantro, 1 jalapeno, and the juice of 1 lime. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare our special ingredient, the zucchini. Take 1 small zucchini and grate it finely. This ensures it blends seamlessly into the guacamole. The most crucial step here is to squeeze out as much excess water as possible from the grated zucchini. You can use a clean kitchen towel or paper towels for this. This prevents your guacamole from becoming watery and keeps its rich, creamy consistency. With your zucchini ready, it's time to combine everything. In a medium-sized bowl, mash your 3 ripe avocados until they reach your desired creamy consistency. Next, gently fold in the prepared, squeezed zucchini. Then, add your finely diced 1/2 red onion, about 1/4 cup of chopped fresh cilantro, 1 finely minced jalapeno for a little kick, and the fresh juice of 1 lime. Mix it all together well. Finally, let's perfect the flavor. Season your guacamole with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Give it a good stir, then taste and adjust any seasonings to your preference. Remember, fresh ingredients shine through. Serve your delicious zucchini guacamole immediately with crispy tortilla chips or as a vibrant side dish. Enjoy this healthy and flavorful twist on a classic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.